So, ayan guys, natapos na natin i-mix ang lahat ng ingredients and then let's wait for about 1 hour bago natin siya i-bake. Hi guys, good morning. Mai is here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gumawa ako ng bibingkang Bisaya. So craving satisfied talaga guys. It's here. So super easy lang yung gawin. So I'll just put the ingredients in the description box below. Later, i-upload ko na to siya. And super soft niya. As in, kulang na lang kasi we don't have here the coconut meat. So, hindi ko siya malagyan. But, as in, I'm so proud of myself. Charot. So, ayan guys. So, yummy. As in, nakuha talaga niya yung soft na, as in sa bunganga mo. I really miss bibingka in Pinas. But, hindi ako dito sa Hong Kong kung may nagbibenta ba. So, I check in YouTube and may nakita akong recipe na super easy lang yung gawin. So, finalo ko siya, only that I don't have the coconut meat, pero sabi niya dun is optional lang siyang ilagay. So, yun nga guys. And, kulang na lang para maging mabango siya, super bango niya, is yung banana leaves. Kaso we don't have here the banana leaves. So, yan, magluluto pa akong lunch. So, yan guys. Pang last na bite. This is yummy. So yummy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this review. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And also press the bell button so that every time I have a new video, you will be updated. So, pasensya na kayo sa haggard ko na face. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I love you all. Mwah.